Everyone, this is our Learn with Susila. Today we are going to learn driver object method. In this section we are going to see the most commonly using the driver object method. Okay, what is driver object method? Driver object is nothing but our browser. So what are the action we are going to do with the help of the browser? So that is the one we are going to see here. So let's see. Before going to the automation side, just let's see the manual side how we are going to use our browser. So initial stage, whenever we are going to handle the browser, first stage will be launching the browser. So automation also we are going to launch the browser, no issues. So next point, what will do the browser? So I can hit some URL. So I have the random URL. I'm just going to give you. We can take the red bus. So I'm just hitting the URL. Okay. Next, what will do the in the browser? I can click back. This is also one step. I can click forward. This is also browser object method only. I can get the current URL. I can get the title of the browser. Here I can get the page source. So I can refresh the page also. These are the small important function we will do in the browser side. The same applicable for the automation side also. We'll go one by one. So manual side is done. Let's come to the automation side. So first thing I want to launch the browser. Okay. So how to launch the browser? I'll just launching Eclipse. I'm creating one class. So I can keep browser command example. Okay. Okay. First I want to launch the browser. So our script will be web driver equal to new. I want to use the Chrome driver. Okay. So we have to import our thing. So this is our Selenium import. So our import is done. So here important thing is we have to see we are using the Chrome driver. I'm using the Chrome driver version. I'm using 87. So you have to do important thing. Just go and Google it for the exe file. Chrome driver exe file. Just download it and keep it in your local. Then we have to give the path. How to specify the path? This is the code. If you're not specifying this one, you will get the error. Why we have to specify means I'm launching the browser. So that exactly whatever version I'm using, same version exe file I have to download. I have to specify like this. So system set property. This is the common we should use. That there is no changes here. This path we have to given your path where you are pasted your exe file. This is the small changes we have to do before launching the Chrome browser or any browser. Okay, here I have done driver equal to new Firefox driver. Next step, what I have told, I want to hit the URL. So I'm like this. Just imagine I'm launched like this. My thing is like this. So I want to hit the URL. Those my second steps will be hit the URL. How to hit the URL? So you have the method called get. We have to pass the URL. So whenever you are going to the interview, you cannot go tell the Alexa what are the important browser command means get title, get current URL. You cannot tell like this. You have to tell one more word get get title, get current URL, get page. So close and quit. We have some other browser command also. These are the browser command present in the WebDriver, implemented in the remote WebDriver. We are accessing via Firefox driver or Chrome driver or IE driver. You have to mention this word. Yesterday section, it means if yesterday section I have explained one WebDriver flow, how it will be. First will be the structure content, second will be the WebDriver, another one is remote WebDriver. In this remote WebDriver, we are splitting Chrome driver, Firefox driver, IE driver. So if not watch that video, go and watch the video. I'll just specify the link in the below description section. Now we'll go here. So very important thing I just thought of telling you. You cannot tell directly this is the important method get title and all. You have to tell those method will be present in the remote web driver. it will be present in the WebDriver, implemented in the remote WebDriver. We are accessing through or via Firefox driver or Chrome driver or IE driver. You have to tell this word clearly. Let's go get title. So what action I am going to do here? Get title. So driver dot get. So it is asking the URL. First URL I am just going to paste Redbus. Okay, I have pasted the red. So it is going to hit the URL. Next. So I have pasted here. What will be the my next steps? Okay, I want to go back. Otherwise, you can go some other option also. I want to get. I want to get title. I want to get current URL. I want to get page source. We'll see these things. So driver dot get title. I'm going to store into the variable title. So I just want to print in the console. Okay, it's done. Next one is titles done. I want to directly I can give like this. It will be printed in the console. I want to do get current URL. Next step will be I want to get source code. Page source. Okay, it's done. So we'll execute the script. We'll see what is the output we are going to get. So we have done. First we are done the launching the browser. It's done. Then we are hitting the URL with the help of the get method. The second thing is we are getting the title. We are getting the current URL. We are getting the page source. Okay, we'll see one by one. So I'm just going to execute this command. I'm closing the browser. Okay, let it be. It will open another browser. So I'm launching the URL. It's done. So we'll go and see the console. I close the browser now manually. I'll just copy the URL. We'll see in the notepad. It will be very clear. Okay. Hmm. Okay, we got the all the console. We'll see. Oh, I'm not sure whether it is copied everything or not. Just go. Okay, fine. So here you can see like this. First things I just want to get the title. My title will be like this. This is my title. Bus book bus ticket online with Redbus. If you have any doubt, this is the one my title. Second thing is I want to get the URL. So this is the one the URL. This is the URL we have hit. So this is the URL. Remaining everything the page source. The page having all the source. No, it is displayed here. So it is working properly. This is the command most important browser command. We'll go to the next. So close and quit. So it is having what is the difference between these two. So I want to tell clearly close means we are closing. I have entered one URL. It is only one browser is open. So I want to close. This is the close command. So what is the quit? For example, just imagine it is having the one URL. I just hit the URL. It is open one more browser like this. So I want to close means if I'm using the close means the current browser will be closed. So previously I have handled one browser, it won't be closed. So in this case, I want to use quit button methods. So close and quit is nothing but if I want to close one browser means just go and use close method. If I want to close multiple browser which is opened by my script means you have to use quit. Other important browser I'm just going to tell you navigate to, navigate back, navigate forward and navigate refresh. It's nothing but navigate means this is the URL. So it is the back. I'm going and clicking. This is the navigate back. This is navigate forward. This is navigate refresh. We have one more command, the most important command navigate to. So here also we are passing the URL, here also we are passing the URL. So what is the difference between these two? Get and navigate to also passing the URL. So just imagine, no need to, both are same only, there is no difference. Anyway it is going to hit the URL. But whenever you are first time we are launching the browser means just go and use the get URL. So in between, for example, I am here. In between, I want to launch one more URL. Means just go to navigate to method. It will be understandable. This is the method we are following as of now. So go and use like that only. There is no difference between these two. If someone is asking what is the difference between get and navigate, both are same only. But whenever we are launching the browser, that time we have to go and use the get. In between, I want to launch other URL means just go to navigate to method. We'll go to example wise. I'm just removing everything. Sleep. I'm just sleep sometimes. Sorry, thread dot sleep. It will throw. I want to declare this interrupted exception. So again, I just want to launch one more browser. I want to launch another URL. This is the URL I'm just going to launch. Manually, I'm showing here. So already I have launched this red bus. I want to change this URL. Once it is done, I just want to click go back. It is going to the red bus. I want to click forward. It is going to canva.com. I want to refresh this one. Then I want to close this browser. So driver dot navigate navigate to navigate forward. First I'm just going to back, navigate back. Back and forward is done. Then again I'm just closing. I'm just waiting sometimes. 400. Then driver dot refresh, we forgot. Just will try refresh also. Refresh. After refresh, I'm closing this one. Driver dot close. This is done. We'll see how it is working now. Run as what we are going to do here means first I'm launching the browser. It is done. I'm hitting on redbus URL, that is also done. Again I'm hitting another URL with the help of navigate to method. It is also done. Once it is done, I'm going back and I'm going forward. I'm refreshing the current page. Here it is hitting another URL. I'm going back, I'm going forward, I'm refreshing the current page and then I'm closing the browser. Back is done. Forward also is done here. It is waiting for, because we are using the thread.sleep, it is going to wait some time. It is refresh, it is closed. So done. This is the most commonly using the driver object method. We have the another object method also we'll see in the next section. This section we have done one small important browser comments. In next video, we'll see the another browser command and all. But you should be very careful while doing the interview and all. You cannot tell directly get title, get current URL. Again, I'm telling you, this is a common word we everyone is using, but you have to tell these are the command which will be present in WebDriver, implemented in remote WebDriver. We are accessing via Firefox driver or Chrome driver or IE driver. You have to tell clearly. If someone is asking what is the difference between close and quit, both are closing the command only. But close button, close method is used to close one window. Quit method is used to close multiple window which is opened by automation script. For example, this is browser I have, another browser I'm opening via the script means this browser, because manually open it won't close. But whenever I'm using the automation, I open the multiple browser means it will close. That thing will be very clear. So that's all from my end. Next video we'll see the remaining driver object method, most commonly using the driver object method. This is the basic thing. We'll see the next level of driver object method. Thank you.